Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Today we will discuss about the purchase of anti-drone system by Indian Air Force from Gurutwa Systems. Indian firm Gurutwa Systems has delivered the first set of the indigenously developed drone-armed counter-unmanned aircraft systems to the Indian Air Force. Counter-unmanned aircraft system is a military term for solutions that are designed to detect, track and ultimately disrupt and destroy unmanned airborne vehicles. Gurutwa Systems said that an undisclosed number of drone-armed CUASs were delivered to the IAF earlier in May under a contract signed in August 2021. Drone-arm system is developed completely indigenously and has proved effective at disrupting the GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, navigation and jamming radio frequencies of unmanned aerial vehicles. The Gurutwa Systems drone-arm is a state-of-the-art, modular system specifically designed for foolproof protection against illegal unmanned aerial systems. Drone-arm system provides directional or omnidirectional coverage, dismounted or mounted operation. The system can be configured as fully integrated rifle-style, safe countermeasure in backpack configuration. In fixed installation, it can be mounted on any moving or stationary installation with option to cover directional coverage or omnidirectional coverage. The system activates GNSS, control, video, and telemetry signal jamming which effectively disrupts commercial drone navigation and control leading to soft kill. After Jammu Air Base attack, Indian Defence Forces are on a purchase spree of anti-drone system to protect the vital installation like industrial installations and military installations in India. Gurutwa Systems received the order of the systems in August last year and within a period of 8 months completed the design activity, the proto-build and approval from customer and readiness of the first production batch of jammers. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.